Hi there! Today we'll guide you through the Z-axis calibration for the Sonic Mighty Revo. First, find Z-axis control in Tools. If you're using the printer for the first time, the printer will automatically guide you to the interface. When you're in the Z-axis control interface, tap on the icon in the upper left corner to access auto leveling to choose Z-axis calibration. Remove the resin vat and place a sheet of A4 paper on the LCD. Tap Next when you are ready, and wait for the Z-axis to ascend to the top. Make sure the building plate is installed and the thumb screw is secured, then tap Next. Use the H3 hex key to loosen the 4 calibration screws on the side of the building plate. Please be aware that loosening these screws excessively may result in the plate falling and potentially damaging the LCD screen. When you're prepared, tap Next to proceed. Wait for the building plate to make it to the top and slowly descend to the bottom until making contact with the LCD. Press the building plate gently and tighten the 4 calibration screws diagonally. Tap Next when you're done. Pull on all 4 corners of the paper and ensure the tensions and frictions are equal. If the paper can be pulled away completely or unmovable, adjust the Z offset using the interface until proper tension and friction are retained. Tap Next when you're done. Finally, tap Next after the plate reaches the top and you've done it! Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful.